Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to jump straight into this video. So starting off on blow dry hair, I'm going to go in with my shine gem and define this middle part that I already have. I feel like parting is always the hardest part when trying to style your hair. You know, of course, you want to make sure to get it as straight as possible. But since my hair is so thick right now, it can be kind of challenging compared to if I was to straighten it, which I probably should have done in the first place because this hairstyle took a little longer than expected. Now I'm going back in with my shine gem and I'm going to apply that all around the edges of my hair just to give it a more polished look. Also, as I continue to braid, I am just taking out small section of the hair that I want to curl. And if you don't want to leave your natural hair out, you can always add in hair. Eliminate some frizz, and also it makes the braiding Okay, so now I'm just going to add some mousse to my hair. I feel like it makes it more easier to handle and also allow for tighter